Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Do you want to make complex information easier for those students who might be struggling with the material, who might be, finding it challenging to understand a particular, part of the learning? Well, in this video, we will introduce you to the AI tool named Common Misconceptions tool. It's a resource which is designed specifically to scaffold any text. It breaks down the complex, learning for readers who are behind grade level or who need extra support. Fantastic, isn't it? Well, to access the tool, you have to click on the segment named Common Misconceptions, right? Now, all that you have to do is you have to select the grade level. So let's say that my students are in 7th grade and I want them Okay, now I want this tool to simplify and give me some common mistakes or common misconceptions that students have about Pythagoras theorem, right? That it is used like this, it is only used in this way, etc., right? So I'm simply going to click on generate, and within seconds, I have a student-friendly version of my, text, which is perfect for effective learning. Yes, and here we are. I hope you can see it has listed so many misconceptions, like the Pythagorean theorem only applies to right triangle. The other misconception, the formula is always this, okay? And the list continues to 3 to 4 more misconceptions. Isn't it fantastic? So it has listed down some misconceptions, some points that we often think that, okay, it is like this, it is like that, and that it has told us that it does not go like this. It does not go in a fixed way. Yes, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Try the Common Misconceptions tool today at Academiq AI for any subject and make learning clear, accessible, and easier for everyone. Yes, happy learning and happy